Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cucumber gazpacho. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need 2 large cucumbers, 1 bell pepper, and 2 cloves of garlic. Don't forget about a 1/4 cup of good quality olive oil and 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Fresh herbs, such as mint or dill, are essential for that vibrant, refreshing taste. Make sure all your produce is crisp and ready for blending to achieve the perfect flavor profile. Now that you have your ingredients, let's get them prepped. Start by peeling and roughly chopping your cucumbers and bell pepper. Remember to remove the seeds from the bell pepper to ensure a smooth, non-bitter gazpacho. Next, mince your garlic cloves finely. This helps distribute their flavor evenly throughout the soup. Having everything chopped and ready before you start blending will make the process much smoother and quicker, saving you time in the kitchen. It's time to bring everything together in the blender. Add your chopped cucumbers, bell pepper, and minced garlic. Pour in the olive oil and red wine vinegar. Blend on high until the mixture is completely smooth and has a creamy consistency. Taste and season with salt and pepper, adjusting to your preference. If the gazpacho seems too thick, you can add a small splash of cold water to reach your desired texture. This step is crucial for flavor. Once blended, transfer your gazpacho to a container and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and ensures it's perfectly refreshing. Before serving, give it a quick stir and garnish with some fresh herbs like mint or a light drizzle of olive oil. You can also find a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other deals, by checking the description below. Serve this delightful cucumber gazpacho in small bowls as a light appetizer or a wonderful, cool meal on a warm day. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.